In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Canva. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or any creative project, giving your shapes rounded corners can add a smooth and professional touch to your designs. Let's get started. First, open up Canva and log in with your account information. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new design. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a canvas size of 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is a perfect size for Instagram posts. But feel free to choose any canvas size that suits your project. Check it out, it's your project. Once your blank canvas is open, look over to the left menu panel and click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find shapes and graphics to use in your design. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in square or rectangle and hit enter. This will bring up an array of options for you to choose from. From the search results, select a shape with corners. A square or rectangle is a great starting point. Once you've clicked on your desired shape, it will appear on your canvas. You can click to select this shape and start adjusting its appearance. Next, if you wish, you can adjust the dimensions of your shape by clicking and dragging the corners or sides to resize it to your liking. Now, to achieve those smooth, rounded corners, locate the floating toolbar at the top of your screen. Here you should see an option labeled with a corner or radius icon. This is your corner tool. Click on the corner tool and a slider will appear. By hovering over this slider and moving it from left to right, you can control the degree of rounding for your shape's corners. Sliding it to the left will make the corners sharper, while sliding it to the right will round them more. Now that you've rounded the corners to your satisfaction, you might want to give your shape a more distinct look by adding a stroke. To do this, you can find the stroke or border option in your top menu. Click on it, and you'll be able to adjust the stroke weight, making your border thicker or thinner based on your design needs. Lastly, to add a pop of color, head over to the color options, usually found near the stroke settings. Here you can choose a color that fits your design vision. Just click on the color thumbnail and pick any color from the palette. And there you have it, a perfectly rounded corner shape with a customized stroke and color, all in Canva. I hope you find these tips helpful for your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.